Bounty's Kitchen.
You are the dirt chicken and you want oxtail gravy, extra oxtail gravy. But say the whole rice, a box truck in the oxtail gravy. Me look for that shit, alright, brother, you see me? She come and come tell man about extra gravy. Me I say, mama, no extra gravy, you have to pay extra for that, alright? Just know. Hi, hello. Okay, can I get,
God no get two already.
what's that?
Two
Okay. Let me get
We don't have that.
I didn't even order yet.
Then how we are wait pan.
I was just thinking.
Thinking? How bad you want bad youth. This is a Jamaican restaurant, not a bathroom.
Hey man, I don't like your attitude, man.
And I don't like you. Them never tell us that make the food taste good, youth. You think of the seasoning, you think of the thyme and pimento seed, youth. How they suck your mother and move your blood clot make the food taste fantabulous, right? Anytime you go to a Jamaican restaurant and them have good attitude, just know so them food tastes like shit. My food tastes good, so me not have to use good attitude for make up for nothing, youth, right? So if you don't like that, move your blood clot and come out of my restaurant, youth. Know that.